Hello, viewers, and welcome to Radio Dwarka's series on simplifying artificial intelligence in collaboration with Quantana, an IT service and consulting company. And on our panel are experts who help us answer all our AI related questions. We have Vishal and Ramesh, and I would like to welcome both of you on the show. Hi, Vishal. Hi,
Hey,
Ramesh.
hey,
Yeah.
Ruchi.
So Vishal and Ramesh, I guess we've covered a lot of topics on artificial intelligence, and I think our last topic on how AI is going to affect our jobs was really something that people really liked, and they had some questions. So, what is the skill set that a person should understand or learn in this AI world so they can better manage their jobs or their profiles that they're currently handling?
I think in some way, pretty much all jobs will be affected by AI. But very specifically, if you see, I think one ground rule might be if you use a laptop for work, your job is quite likely to be impacted by AI. And it's not to say that AI will replace you, but it's rather the person who knows how to use AI will replace you, right? So that's really what you have to watch out for. And there are a lot of jobs where AI systems can do tasks faster, accurately, at a lower cost than humans, right? So talking about data entry, customer support, data cleaning, and other simple tasks, right? So in this space as well as others, there are definitely a lot of skills that you can start grooming now to make sure that you're safe in the AI world.
Yeah. If I have to speak about the skills, then the first thing that obviously everyone should start looking at is how to interact with AI. And the most famous one right now is ChatGPT. So we first need to understand how to use ChatGPT and get the required information extracted or retrieved from different doubts that we have, so that we get our tasks completed faster. Say for example, how should I request to write a recommendation letter uh, if I am a graduate, right? So that you can directly take it and get it signed off, or things like that. Or how do I create my project report, which is around these things. So this is all called as prompt engineering. So there is a majority of learning that is possible in that area, and most of the platforms have already started offering courses on this, including colleges like Harvard, Stanford also. And that is from a course perspective. From skills perspective, there is major uh, learning needed on computational thinking and logical reasoning. If you remember, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, also said schools also should teach coding and logical thinking. It is about understanding how machines think and how we arrive at some conclusion. And then there is another area that we discussed in our previous sessions also, like emotional intelligence and creative thinking. These are some skills that you need to still groom, because there will be a personal touch or a human touch, as we say, right, when it comes to jobs involving creative thinking, emotional intelligence. And also, more or less, some of the CEOs cannot be replaced, because the decisions that they take are definitely out of their personality and based on the circumstance. So these skills, along problem solving skills, some computational thinking, creative skills, decision making, anything related to problem solving, so social and emotional learning, and all of these skills are definitely they will have a place, even if it is an era of AI.
So, if you take, for example, the education sector, right? So, AI is now able to generate a lot of content and do a lot of analysis. But where it still is a little weak in is the analysis and reporting so that other humans can understand. So, when you see the higher level of analytics, it is ultimately what is presented to the consumer as a dashboard or as a final screen, right? So here is where tools like Power BI, Tableau, and to some extent even Python has a lot of libraries that display graphs and analytics. So AI is able to generate some of the backend code, but the application, whether or not it is useful or not, is finally in the hands of the user. So you should know basics of Tableau and Power BI so that when you're sitting with AI, you can actually know that whether it is correct or not.
Thanks, Vishal and Ramesh, for your knowledgeable inputs on this topic about the skill sets. I'm sure it's going to be a great, understanding for people in terms of what needs to be done. Definitely, one thing that I take away from today is, what I need to know more is about being that analytical thing, which I think is very, very important. Because, as you said, till the time I don't understand what AI result is giving me, it's not of any use, right? And I can save my job only if I can analyze that. Share in any of your questions that you have that you would like to kind of get covered with our experts, Vishal and Ramesh, and we will take it up from them. So if you like the show, definitely like, subscribe, and share this with all your friends who can learn about the skill sets that they need to develop in this world today. So thank you. And to all our viewers, stay connected with Radio Dwarka and enjoy the series. Thank you.